we put on our design thinking caps to answer one very important question. How might we create a business school for girls? Introducing the Academy for Enterprising Girls, an online e-learning platform, website, and national workshop program that provides Australian girls and young women with the tools they need to become our next generation of innovators, entrepreneurs, and job makers. And it started right here with the help of Queensland Girls and Educators. The future is bright in the hands of Queensland's creative, innovative, and enterprising girls.